tahimik, payapa, at sariwang hangin. Dito lang naman lagi nagsisimula ang aming araw. Alright. 10:39 a.m. when I woke up, I was the one who would take action. Aaminin ko, mahirap talaga bumangon. Pero tanghali na to eh. Pero late kasi kaming nakatulog. Yan na nga, konting stretch. Ay, hirap talaga. I'll prepare a bag of food for Ikel for his band practice. Ako nga ang taya eh. Pero syempre, konting hilamos, konting toothbrush. Nakita niyo naman diba? But first, I'll cook some rice. May baho pa pre. Siyempre, hugasan muna natin yung rice cooker. Yan. First, I put rice. About 2 cups. Siyempre, hinugasan ko na rin. Dalawang banlaw yan bro ha. Ang ina mo. That's how I measure water. Tansya meter nga. Yan na, nisindihan ko na yan. Sinala ko na ang kalat, naluto agad. Galing. I'm going to the market to buy a dish for Ike. And it's hotdog, his favorite. Yan, naglalakad na ako backyard. Palabas pa lang pala, so yan, bakit na ako, totoo na to. Ngayon na, araw-araw kami umakit dyan. Exercise bag mo. At yung may wag mo to,